Hey everybody, Assalamualaikum. Hopefully all of you are doing great and I'm doing well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. And as you can see, I'm lying down at my work site in such a house. By the way, lately I'd love to talk about India's recent plane crash, as you know. And this plane crash has happened 2 days ago, maybe, but I could make this video 2 days ago, but I didn't because I didn't had any kind of knowledge about that how does that supposed to happen, and that's really rare to happen. And there are nearly 241 people has died sadly, and one people has survived from that severe an incident. And let's talk about briefly that. And before I make this video, I watched some sort of a pilot's video about those topic that how could that possibly happen. And that says, some says there was a problem with wings underneath. There is a spot called flat or something like that, flat or flat, I'm not sure. And some say there has a problem with flat that doesn't switch properly, that's why it's happened. And some says there's a problem with aircraft engine, and there is a mix of thought floating into internet. You can find what exactly happened there. So there is a problem. The investigation has been progress right now, and let's see what they can brought us. And I'm waiting actually for that. What causing their plan to crash? I really want to know. And it takes 241 people's life, and one has arrived luckily. And I don't have any knowledge that how could that possibly be happened. And right now I'm feeling a bit of exhausted. That's why I'm lying down into the surface. I'm sorry for that because I can't be able to sit and make a video. And I thought this is the I could make a video with this position. It doesn't matter. Excuse me, I wanted to. So there's a problem. I will make video after I got the investigated report. I could possibly make video, but if I don't, never mind, because I don't have much knowledge about those topic. But if I understand better their investigation, I could make one. So so let's talk about my life right now. So at this point, I think it seems like I do have to switch my work site. I mean, I do have to move to my work site, and this is the first work site there I work most highest time at a particular, like it's about a 5 month I've been working this site particularly specifically, and there wasn't any such site I had worked this much long period of time. And this side I worked a lot, and there is a memory, a lot of memory there, good with my work, with my co-workers and everything I've done with these work sites. So I'll remember these site for a long term of time. But right now it seems like I do have to move for getting better paid work, getting better paid job. This sort of, because end of the day, why I'm doing this, I do have to remind myself. And at the same time, I'm learning English, as you know, but everything is going positively, but there is one thing I do have to work and fix and achieve, which is, as you know, I'm speaking. This is not Polish an accent. This is a standard accent. This seems to be South Asian. So I really love to be speak in English with an American solid accent, that where people couldn't find which nationalities am I from, which country am I from, and I really want to talk about like them. So at this point, I know that I'm making progress, I'm learning, but I do have to be aware that I really need an accent, and that's why at the same time I am training my vocal cords to get that specific sound, and I'm doing meditation to make my brain calm without having any negative thought. Just I want to control over my brain to being peace, patient in case. So this was all about today's, and I'll be do things that I'm doing and buy, and yeah, this was all about topic. And this room I'm working at the Prima Residency Prima Port Dixon, road number 71010, room number 260. This was located in Malaysia district, Seremban, Negeri Sembilan, Port Dixon Residency Prima, Port Dixon 71010, inside Prima House, room number 260, that I am working at this moment right now, and that be great memories. And thank you very much. Take care.